We have only one Earth. Use solar energy and save the Earth. Sun is the most abundant renewable energy source known to the mankind. Utilizing it to the fullest, Deepa Solar System Private Limited came into existence for providing green and clean energy to the system. Deepa Solar Private Limited is recognized by both state and central government of India. Collaboration with the Prestige Group has given maximum velocity to the company, where Prestige is firmly established as one of the leading real estate developers of South India. The group has completed 247 projects and 245 ongoing. This is the only CRESL DA1 rated developed company in the country, which stands for ability to pass on clean title to the customers. They have set high standards in quality of construction and also client satisfaction being one of the top priorities. Prestige Group entrusted to build cleaner and greener cities and to promote sustainability and strive for more efficient and effective uses of energy and materials.
Please look at energy saving mechanism, look at large quantity of ventilation by natural methods itself, avoid artificial lighting in the first place. And if we are forced to use artificial lighting, then look at the economical way of doing it so that A, it conserves nature, and B, even to the users also it is good and they are green friendly. When it came to electricity, we looked at solar lighting as a religion now at Prestige. It goes on from building to building, project to project.
Mr. Raya personally supervises each and every project while performing the work. And before handovering the work, along with his technical director, Mr. Prashant and team, make sure that Deepa Solar will never compromise when it comes to quality. Deepa Solar values Prestige Groups because of its marvelous projects and expertise in delivering all the projects on a timely basis and with best feature products. Prestige Group is one of a reputed name in the South Indian builders and developers group. They are well known for numerous qualities, and one among them is their concern about the future generations and insights towards conserving energy.
196 kW we have installed on Fun Residency that belongs to Prestige Group. Years we are with the Prestige Group, and I thanks once again Prestige Group as well as the Association of Fun Residency.
It's a bliss to be working with the Prestige Group over and over again. Working with Prestige Fun Residency is a prestigious position to Deepa Solar. Working atmosphere with them is so convincing and calm. In all the stages of our work, Prestige team and association helped us providing the requirements which were needed.